Science and nature. Question: which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? Answer: Mars. It gets its reddish color from iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Question: what is the hardest natural substance found on Earth? Answer: diamond. It is made of pure carbon arranged in a crystal structure. Question: which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere to perform photosynthesis? Answer: carbon dioxide, CO_2. Geography. Question: which is the smallest country in the world by land area? Answer: Vatican City. It covers only about 0.44 square kilometers. Question: what is the longest river in the world? Answer: the Nile. It flows through northeastern Africa for approximately 6,650 kilometers. Question: which continent is also a country? Answer: Australia. History and culture. Question: who was the first person to step onto the surface of the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. He did so during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969. Question: in which country were the first Olympic Games held? Answer: Greece. The ancient games began in Olympia. Question: who painted the famous portrait known as the Mona Lisa? Answer: Leonardo da Vinci.